All right, time for the traders to answer some of your questions. Stephanie, let us begin with you. This is from Steve in Baltimore, Charm City. Your thoughts on Under Armour, Baltimore-based company, at these levels? The stock still seems extremely expensive. Do you agree with Steve?
Yeah, it is expensive on today's earnings, but it all depends on what you expect their margins to do. I mean, their margins are a fraction of what Nike's are. And so if you believe that they can fix this company and turn it around, then there is a lot of earnings power. And that's how you have to look at it. I swapped out of this name and bought Nike back in March when Nike fell 25%. I thought I could upgrade in terms of quality. So I think this is not the kind of stock you want to own in this environment.
All right, next up, Josh, is kind of a would you rather from Lisa in Los Angeles. She says, would you rather buy the iShares Biotech ETF, IBB, or the NASDAQ Biotech Index, XBI?
So not to be a cop-out, but the way I've structured my investment in the biotech space is to own both. I own them in equal amounts. One of them IBB will do better in a runaway bull market for biotech because it's biased toward the largest companies, which we would assume would pick up the most market cap. The other one should do better in a more nuanced environment where some of the smaller companies have surprise drug approvals and there isn't quite as much momentum to the space. So I own both in equal amounts. That's what I would say.
All right, Josh, thank you. Finally, Michael from Monica in California. Do you hold, sell, she's leaving out buy, Ross Stores?
Ross Stores, Monica, I think I'd probably hold to sell somewhere in there. I think they've got a challenging environment going forward, still trying to open stores, selling to a lower-end consumer who's going to be challenged for income and spending dollars. I'm to a hold or a sell there. I still have a position. It's not a big one. I've trimmed that already.